Internet Explorer giving you headaches in 2025? No worries, we got you. First, let's check your internet connection. Ensure your modem and router are properly plugged in. Restart them by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Next, double-check the website address. Small typos can cause big issues. Try accessing a different website to see if it's a specific site issue. If the problem persists, reset Internet Explorer settings. Go to the Tools icon, select Internet Options, then the Advanced tab, and hit Reset. Still not working? Check your firewall. Go to Control Panel, Windows Firewall, and make sure Internet Explorer is allowed through. Disable any troublesome browser add-ons. Click the Tools icon, select Manage Add-ons, and disable each one by one to find the culprit. Lastly, verify your proxy settings in Internet Options under the Connections tab. Ensure Use a Proxy Server is unchecked unless needed. Follow these steps and you'll be browsing again in no time. Remember, updating to a modern system is always a good idea for better security.